Happy long weekend, Quebecers! St. John the Baptist. Today's video, we are going to United States of America. So we're here at the border. So we are going to Plattsburgh and Lake George, New York.
Nasa duty free.
Oh no, I'm good, thank you.
Ay, mabaling kayo masimbrot ka no, gamit kaya? Hindi ako. Ay, ang gamit. Sana doon dati. Diyan mo ba? Right buses.
As you can see, it's heavy rain and I hope when we get to our destination should be a sunny day. Welcome to USA. Aglikaw tayo lata.
Tirakan na tayo ka na sa madam.
Welcome aboard! Ayan. Sasakay kami dyan. Here at Lake George, New York. Maka-check up ni Captain.
Puligusan dati, Markaw! Puligusan ka!
Puligusan na. Here we go. Tani! Yeah! Gaya tani! Epa!
At indog mo tawa-nawa. Hello! Agamit kami sa Pilipinas, eh!
Wilbur Bright said it when he built his big mansion on the mountain for himself and this one for his son. The White House in the back of the bay was since the boat she got here in 1905. Her parents started and founded the Salvation Army. So she moved here and established the first chapter ever here in the United States to honor her parents. The gray building to your left will be the Sizzler home. Eventually the home of Mr. Sizzler's son's wife, Georgia O'Keeffe. Husband becomes the most famous photographer ever. She became the most famous female. The St. James Episcopal Church in the Village of Lake George, made out of marble stone, still here today. And family still generations later.
Oh, ayan, pabalik na.
Coming up here is one of the paddle boat homes. They started in 1817.
Yung mga latiti pagturugan din eh.
Supay ah.
Next time.
Ito yung una ito.
Now, riding along me and there's a boat. They all do now. These three over here.
It's a kite. Like a kite.
Okay, you want to take that?
And this man was a good friend that was governor of the house. When he died in 1911, he went with his sister. They kept him at the cocktail parties on the veranda of the Dance Line. Then right to that dining hall was set. While they had dinner, the orchestra set up on the veranda, played dinner then the regular day. Well, it's been just block the water out of the lake and not let them use it. So we took all the land over here and gave it to her. But then in 1814, when he built the mansion, he built it with 30 rooms, 14 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, 2 ballrooms for dancing, land on the other side of the road. But now the last mansion that I'll talk about on Millionaire's Road, many more between here and home, but we have to drive up to see them. It's over here, Bill.
Labara mo, di puloy na ngamin.
Sabali na tayo. Tayo nakabot tayo. Tatayo ba hangin? Diba? Tayo ba? Yeah. Yeah. What's next? Where to go? Oh yeah.
Contact Bisao. Go to street?
Nya? Malaming. Dad mo tugin tito.
Malalaki siguro po nga ito, malalaki yung dahon. Layo-layo.
Kainan dito sa Shepherd's Park. Buti nakisama yung panahon. No, walang ulan. Tumigil na.
Yeah, kasi pauwi na eh. Pa-Montreal na eh. Meron exit Montreal na doon.
Oh, yun. Is it cold? Cold? No? Not anymore before. Yeah? Oh, okay.
Diamot inalat ay sapatos ha. Inalat mo.
Sapatos? Ah! Nangala kagayam. Tiyabog para ito no, ano pa ilan. Hindi na usap na kuman.
Usap na kuman. Malami eh. Nung marami ka na, nagdakat sila. Taluman
Mayatan, yeah.
I-color fit nila na iure na nagsukatan. Nagsugli at napasagit. Ay, short na. Hindi ka din.
Nakabrief sapay. The ticket tours.
Plus na to, try to. Ay, Let's go? Let's go?
No!
Okay.
I don't want anymore. It's a joke, eh? It's a joke.
What time is it?
It's
2 o'clock.
I've got 10 minutes!
Yeah?
Lake George Village.
Basta may katwang handa o expect lang.
Kaya talaga. Buti nakisama yung panahon.
Super?
Yeah. At least we push. House of Frankenstein Wax Museum. Ayun pala, Playland Arcade.
Nagkitaw?
Yeah. She likes it. He likes it. Souvenir shop. Village Mall. Yan. Gift Plus. Where's Kenneth? Oh, ayun pala. Sweet tooth. Cotton candies. Berry bots. Harry Potter.
3. Okay.
Yeah. There, beer. Happy hour. Notice, we support your Second Amendment, right? Lawfully carried handguns are welcome here. Okay. Oh, you know him?
No.
Your uncle?
No, I don't know.
Your kuya?
I don't know.
Your grandpa?
No.
Maybe. Oh, nice to meet you. Bye, Lolo. Nice to meet you. Come on, shake hands. Yes. It's okay. Okay, take. Love Radio. Hello.
I-download mo sa cellphone mo kuya. Manila yan.
ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Hi, ate. Pagod? Yan. Adopted. Adopted. You're not from Baligat.
Emergency yan. Check yourself and use Rexona after every bath. Ang number 1 emotional bayan. Say no to ass emergencies.
Ate, magkano sa Champion Super Pain 35 grams?
For 75 pesos.
Nagpasubo mga pag-aratunaw.
Talaga nga export natin namin ng tarong. Pinag-isipan na yan. Inag eh. Wala, may nagiging na.
Thank you for watching. May God bless us, everyone.